Today I've got this very powerful device to talk to you about. A very good morning. This is Co-Studio on my channel again with a technical review of the latest Sunmi P2 Pro point-of-sale machine. So, the main reason why I want to mention this device because it's a full Android smart point-of-sale terminal for accepting payments, but its functionality goes beyond than just accepting card payments, because now you can see how beautiful device is starting. At the same time, I told to many of our partners how powerful the device and how technologically beautiful it is. Meaning, have a look how thin it is. It's as thin as my iPhone with a case. It's almost the same thinness of the device. The size is pretty similar. Like my iPhone. It's a Pro version, but you will get exactly the same big screen size. It's a piece of beauty. So, as well, device could be placed on a handler or cradle or docking station to perform charging and sign QR barcodes. As well, the device has a camera to scan 2D barcodes or QR codes at the same time. As well, as you could see, the device equipped by a printer to immediately print your receipts, but the paper is a very standard 40mm paper. It's easy to replace the paper roll, and it's very ordinary paper roll to purchase at your corner shop supplier. At the same time, the machine equipped by contactless card payment acceptance, by swipe or magnet type payment acceptance, and chip and pin for sure. But the most powerful thing about this machine, it's not about how beautiful the machine and it's like a full day battery, dual SIM cards, Wi-Fi, a few slots for many different purposes. The most powerful thing about this, I would like to call the device as a beast or a bear, that what's inside. And when you're going inside, you may see here our proprietary application to accept payments, but the most powerful thing about the device is its ecosystem, meaning it's possible to deploy almost any application, and the flexibility of the device is enormous. Meaning we can upload here Deliveroo application. As well, the device equipped by GPS tracking system, meaning Deliveroo will understand where exactly a courier is and how the courier is performing to the destination. As well, if probably the device will be used by a restaurant or a cafe, again it's possible to add a taxi ordering services and earn some commission because you ordered a taxi for your guest from the taxi company. As well, as I mentioned in a couple of previous videos, again it's possible to sell insurance by connecting insurance companies. And as well, it's possible to connect local cards, local payment schemes and system, either contactless, chip and pin, or just magnet. As well, to this device, it's more than possible That's how the flexibility is beautiful of the device. At almost any imaginable loyalty system, loyalty points, selling tickets, printing receipts, printing payslips, etc., etc. Trust me, the flexibility of the device is enormous, and the beauty of it, it's in ecosystem and opportunity to connect even many bank acquirers at a single machine or a variety of additional services. My personal intention and goal is to build an ecosystem around payment machines, payment terminals with very useful and handy added value services for merchants. For real users, for cashiers, for couriers, the device should be light and easy to use. It's crucial for your business to empower your employees with proper equipment to make your business really efficient. Meaning, when I told you about this thickness or it's lightweight, all of these things in combination building an efficiency for your business, meaning it's easy to carry on the device, it's easy to put it in a cradle if you are riding a bike or a scooter to your customer with your delivery. The device is very robust and at the same time it's very light. Let me show you how people usually use the device. So, when your employee is taking a payment, and if your employee equipped in a proper rope, there should be some pocket to put the device, and the device is as light as literally I don't feel it when I move around, and it's so light and it's so easy to put it away from your pocket and put it back as a gun in the cowboy movies. That's it. Oh, I think I could do it for a speed. Oh. Your employee is always ready to take a payment for your customers. Always ready. To do. Thanks for watching. See you soon.